G'day everyone, today we're painting the rocket cover on the KE70. So, as you can see, it's already in primer. And what we're going to do now is just sand it back. Pretty much it's just 2 bolts, one up top, one at the bottom, then it'll slide off and you just take off all the rubbers and whatnot and mask up whatever you can't. So I'm going to start sanding that now and get ready for paint. Woo! Well, just using cans for this because I can't be bothered getting the whole compressor out. Doing a midnight purple, same as the rest of the car, so let's get into it. Usually I do a bit more prep work, but because it's the engine bay, I'm not too fast. So maybe I'll start on this side for you guys. And the paint type it will fade until the clear coat goes on, and then it'll get that nice metallic sparkle. Alright, that's a coat. So as you can see, it's not too impressive yet, but when the clear coat's on, it should be spot on. Okay, so that's base coat done, about to do clear. As you can tell, it's faded a bit, but we're just going to go over it and hope for the best. So I'm not too fast how it really turns out. It's on for the engine bay. So that's one coat, probably do like 3 or something, and then yeah, chuck it back on the engine. Sparkle, sparkle. Awesome, so it is now the next day. It's all painted, clear coated, all done, and I've put it back on the car, so I'm going to give you a look at that now. I've got it in the sun also because it looks best in the sun, so I'll give you a look. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that turned up. Makes the rest of the engine look pretty crappy though, but oh well. So yeah, now I still need to get the car running, hopefully soon, and then back on the road. But yeah, it's all coming along, as you can tell. It's looking good, which is key. And also, I got another set of the rear tri-spokes for the front, so that'll clear out the guards nice and flush like the rear. So yeah, awesome. I guess that's probably it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one.